This is Peter from NT Realty, and today we've got a great treat for you. And yes, I've had a haircut. And if you're interested, I'm right on the first line in Prcanj. I've got this beautiful palazzo, 18th century palazzo. Needs a full renovation, but it's an ideal project for somebody who's looking for a renovation, mini hotel, bar and restaurant, or something like that. You've got this beautiful Baroque balcony just here. Fantastic restaurant right next to me, which already kind of serves great food. So you're in the kind of marketplace for these things. These guys are great at the homemade gnocchi and ravioli and squid ink pasta and things like that. So if you're looking for a project, first line, as Montenegro is booming with tourism, this could be the ideal project for you. You can give me a call. My details are in the description below, and give me a like if you like it, and comment if you want to have some comments. And that's it. Let's take you through and let's see what you think. So like I said, we're in the centre of Prcanj. This building is a net space of 278 square meters, garden around about 680 square meters, and this little chapel, net 11 square meters. Now I know what you're thinking, there's a big mess everywhere, and yes, yeah, the previous owners have kind of hoarded a lot of stuff here, but hopefully you'll see the diamonds in the dust, or the rough. Like this Kotor stone here on the steps. Absolutely stunning, very highly valued, the stone here. Some nice features here above the doorways. I love this area that we're going to have seen now. This area just above the main entrance. Double heighted. Put a beautiful kind of cast iron chandelier there, look amazing. So in total, 7 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and this unique room. This was decorated in the 19th century by Don Marco Florio, who was the priest of Prcanj at the time. There's a coat of arms in the center of the ceiling here, with the 2 lilies on the left-hand side. Tiles, hand-painted Venetian tiles in this geometric style, and just stunning. So hopefully whoever buys this can reproduce this amazing salon. So the rest of the video, I just wanted to kind of take you through the building and give you some of the highlights, if you want to call them this. This is quite interesting. I looked down here and I thought it was the cellar, then realized I climbed up the steps, so I went back later on just with my phone, so you've got some shaky footage here. So excuse that. But talking of diamonds in the dust, look at this little fella here. This is the souped up version. It's the Zastavar 750 model. And obviously it's been left here for God knows how many years in obviously what was the garage, but it's interesting to see this reveal stone, so you can see a lot of the character of the place, the little kind of niches in the walls there. Interesting tapestry here above the doorway, and again just more of these rooms to give you an idea of the scale of the place, kind of the height and the dimensions and things. So you even have a little wine cellar here, or loads of cellar somebody's forgotten about. Well, it's something, I don't know what it is. And finally I'll whisk you up the stairs, and this is the loft area here. Obviously you've got all these exposed beams. Like I said, it needs full renovation though. So that's it from Prcanj. I hope you liked the video. It's a great renovation project for you, mini hotel. You can have a great, fantastic restaurant like the one I'm sitting in here, with these awesome views here. 278 square meters of net space, plus a garden of about 680 square meters. A little private chapel at the back, 11 square meters. Thanks for watching. We've got a little video here that you might want to watch, and one just here, and we've got the subscribe button here if you want to hit the subscribe button and watch the latest videos from NT Realty. Thanks for watching.